How you doing, guys? We're back to Pokemon Masters 118 with Diamond and myself, Aaron. We picked up a few different little cool things today, so you want to show them what we got?
So we both got a Meowth VMAX special collection box. It comes with a foil promo card, Meowth V, and then a Meowth VMAX, and then the oversized foil card, 5 TCG booster packs, and then a code card for online. And then some singler packs.
And then we got I have 2 Sword and Shield, and then I have 2 Darkness Ablaze as well.
And I have a Sword and Shield and a Darkness Ablaze.
Okay, so which one do you want to open? The single packs, and then we'll get into the Meowth then, and we'll kind of go...
No, because there's different packs in here, so I want to open them up and then...
Organized after?
Yeah, and
okay.
See what we want.
Let's pop them open, let's see. I bet I always thinking a jerk freaking having more packs to open. So, okay, Christmas, they'll see a lot of packs that you got. I won't even have that many packs because you'll have so many packs for Christmas. It'll be insane for you guys. You'll have such a field day. I can't wait. Oh, I should have saved my box like that.
Why would, yeah. I mean, you can have my box. I saved
okay,
mine.
I was like, you know, I'd be destructive with my stuff.
Okay,
I'd be trying to keep it even though I'm destructive with it. Oh, I got a white card.
Did you really?
It is, but I don't think it matters though.
It should.
Then what kind of card did you get?
I don't know. You opened yours from the back.
Oh, I apologize.
Oh, wow.
That's a cool card.
This is cool.
Damn.
Okay. Here's
That's
that.
dope.
Oh.
No, he fell.
No way to put that in a sleeve.
That one's gotta be in like one of those sheet page, like the main sheets
Oh,
you get.
just like the front page of
the yeah, like one of those kind of things, but like that you can actually have. So this is cool. I never really had no big card like that because I always thought those were kind of funny looking, but now as a collector, I think these are great. I'm like, this is awesome.
This is the Meowth VMAX.
Does it double? Keeps it on there. Put that extra. The Meowth VMAX.
Find it.
Then we got just the Meowth V. Sleep
I couldn't get it out. Yep. Oh, you showed the Meowth V?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But I had to pop it out like that too, just kind of upside down with it. So already starting off good with 2 cards. Nice.
They're promo.
I know.
Promo cards, but they have very nice illustrations that we like.
It is very nice. Alright, and then do you want to say which ones you got?
Go ahead.
So we had 2 Cosmic Eclipse. I'm not sure if you get the same.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I will
say.
check. I keep putting it in. Wait, go ahead. Go with yours.
Okay, so yeah, I got the 2 Cosmic Eclipse right here though. 2 of those in here. We got the Evolutions. I'm debating maybe just to hold on to this because, you know, everybody's been kind of holding them, I think. You know, kind of just been trying to sell it. We're trying to, you know, get that Charizard out of it though. But and Unified Minds. So I don't know if I should just hold on to it and just wait. Everybody seems whoever waits and, you know, 2-3 years later goes by, waited all this time, pops it open, and all of a sudden, you know, bam, it's there.
Yeah, so 2 Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. Yep, okay.
Yeah.
And then an Evolution S.
Yep.
Unified Minds?
Yeah.
Okay, and then a Sun and Moon's Guardian Rising. Oh, I got a white card too. Who knows what that means still. I feel like that might be for the promos, which doesn't count.
Does not count.
Oops.
There goes.
Yeah, I think I might save 1 Cosmic Eclipse and put that up.
Okay.
And then...
You gonna open up all those?
Oh, wait, no, not Cosmic.
Because I've been opening up my Evolutions lately, so I'm like, I just need a stack at this point.
Up.
Yeah, I think I'm keeping Evolutions up. Maybe open the next one, save the next one. And just kind of every other if I ever get in like that.
So where do you want to go with first? Or do you want to go with the individual packs?
Let's run individual packs. Let's start off with, you know, let's see what we got.
I'm gonna go with Sword and Shield.
Okay.
So we have Lapras on the front.
And then we got, oh, I should keep that up here. I don't know why I'm doing like that now. Got that one there. Let me pick that up now because I'm like, it's just we got so much on the table.
Ooh, white card.
White card already. Look at that off the bat, getting something good. Uh-oh, super hollow. Something super rare.
Dropped them right away.
Oh no.
I know.
Well, that's good for you. I'm glad. Starting right. Green card.
Okay, I will go first. Goldeen.
Blitbug.
Roselia.
Baltoy.
Ghastly.
Wooloo.
Pawniard.
Joltik.
Sizzlipede.
Salandit.
This is yours. Oh, we do got something. Stunkfish, reverse
Ooh.
hollow.
Stunkfish. Hitmonchan,
That
reverse
is
hollow.
yours, I think, because I have that. I think I got that
Do
one
you
from the other
really?
day. I did get a basic
What is that?
V.
Ooh,
Victini. Basic.
that's nice. Right off the bat, first one.
Nice.
That is good. Grapploct.
And electric energy.
Ground, earth energy, ground energy.
Salazzle.
Got a potion.
Trainer card, meat saucer. Metal saucer. Meat saucer. Oh god.
Hitmonchan regular.
Trainer Rotom Bike.
Lino one. So,
I haven't seen that.
that's the evolution for the Zigzags. Oh, Galarian Lino one.
The Galarian.
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to say I have that one too. I'm
Cool.
pretty sure I do. I want to say I have a Hitmonchan too that's hollow like that.
I think you do.
Right. I'm like, alright, you want to sleep? I got you. Look at you, pulling just left and right, babe. Guaranteed pulls. I should just give you all my cards to pull for me. I'm like,
You pick next then.
well, I ain't doing Sword and Shield again, I'll tell you that now. Let's get this Darkness Ablaze in here. Alright. Here we go. So we can get the most chances with packs right now. This is ridiculous to me. Another green card, I bet.
What's a negative, Nancy?
I'm not. Green card. I think I picked up a few packs today, earlier. And got all green cards as well.
I got a white.
I bet you did. I'm like, I'm sure you did.
I'm sorry, man. You want to switch?
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
Go, you go.
Alright, so I got a Paris.
Kufit.
Gothita.
Sincity.
Skarmory.
Phoebus. It looked like he drowned.
Cubchoo. No, or Phoebus is a water Pokemon. No,
But
so
it
it's
look,
like-
I know, he looks distressed.
Phoebus probably always looks distressed.
Pessimian.
Wimpod.
Okay, a Fletchling.
Yeah, you want to talk about stuff looking... Cubchoo look like he got a whole drippy nose right there
He's
coming
probably
down.
Sneezing.
He's sneezing a whole freaking ice thing right there. I'm like, I got a reverse hollow Aron. Add one more A and that's my name.
Okay, got a reverse hollow Gothica.
Okay, I got your regular one too.
Yeah, I think I might.
I got a Talonflame. Nice little regular Talonflame. I know, I figured it's another one. Keep it coming.
Cinti Scorch V.
Hell yeah. Keep it coming. Back-to-back packs. I don't think it can get any better than that.
Energy Guard.
I got a Polgeist,
A Steenie.
Solrock,
Dedini.
Kabu Trainer,
And Vibrava.
I said Cabo, like, what? I
Like,
think it's
like
almost
Cabo? Like, did you say Cabo? Like Cabo?
Nah, I think it was. I was thinking. In my head, I was thinking, freaking Yu-Gi-Oh. That's why. I was thinking like. I was thinking Kaiba, but it was Kaba. So I was thinking Kabu. I was trying to just put all kinds of things together right there. Processing how that 2 for 2 goes. You said I picked another one good, another good white card there, but for you.
I should just pick one for you.
Yeah, which one should I? Yeah, please pick my second.
Yeah, no, I do want to go with that one.
Okay, I was like, please pick my second one, man, because I'm on my third
I'm gonna
one.
have you open, because it will be at the same amount. Well, not really. You still have one more than me, I think.
All right, come on, white card. White card.
Please.
Do the honors. Hey! First one of the night. All right, here we go. That's nice. First one of the night. Get that out the way. So, Clink. Ducklet.
Okay.
Mareep. Paris.
I was thinking something.
Another Gothica.
Okay. Okay.
We got a hollow, the reverse hollow Diglett.
Okay.
Glossopod, something different.
Let me see.
It's a new one.
Oh, okay. Hollow Glossopod.
Yep, don't
Okay.
got that one yet, so
No,
that's
you don't.
nice. Then we got the yellow energy, energy.
Yeah,
Energy.
that's different too.
Shionic. I have that one, I think.
You do?
Shinodiker. Yeah, I have
haven't
that
seen
one. And then we got Rose, trainer card, and a Semi-Pour.
Okay. Do you want to do one more opening by yourself?
As long as you shoot, I don't even know.
Or should we just go into the...
I'm honestly giving up on it. I don't even want to open it. Guess I'm opening it.
It's going to be in here. I'm going to open it for you. I'm going to tell you. It's going to be in here.
So, I surely do. I'm stressed. The struggle's real getting cards today for me.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a green.
It's
Go
okay,
ahead.
it doesn't ruin your streak. Keep it up.
You're such... Shelter. Kroguk. Silly Cobra. Mencino. Vulpix. A reverse hollow Sizzlipede. That's a nice rare. Rillaboom, non-hollow rare.
That is cool.
Fire Energy. Pseudo-Wudo. Trainer card Hop. Dottler. I'm sorry, man.
It's okay.
My bad.
You're all good.
I have faith in the collection box.
I hope you do, because...
We both got white cards in the collection box, right?
Oh.
Ooh,
Watch you be
baby.
the only one to get good stuff.
What you gonna start with?
I want to do Cosmic Eclipse. I haven't gotten one of those in, I don't think, a while or at all.
I don't think maybe in the mixed mystery pack.
Maybe, but I don't know. I think it's either been a while or not at all, so... Green card? No. Whoa.
You don't know.
Oh, yeah, you don't. No green card. You do know.
Green card.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's a nice
Aw.
Alonian Sandshrew. So cute.
That's cool. We got Duskull. That's a super cool card.
Snowrunt.
Timpool.
Coughing.
Piplup.
Drillbur.
Cosmog. That's new. I haven't seen that one
This is,
before.
oh, that's cool. That's cool. Cosmo.
Yeah.
I like that one. A Swirlix. I haven't seen this one either. It's really cute.
Oh, looks like a little wolf
Clouds.
doggy cloud. Yeah.
Poodles.
Poodle clouds. Ponyta.
Okay. So I have a hollow Mimikyu. It's cute. She looks like she's, it kind of looks witchcraftish, voodoo-ish, voodoo
Right.
dollish.
I got something unique, I think.
You
got a
do?
Pikachu reverse hollow.
Ooh,
Ooh,
I like that.
I do too. I'm glad I got something at least.
And then the rare is Dragaggle. I haven't seen him yet.
I got a Cradily.
Let me see. Okay.
Yeah.
Psychic Energy,
Fire Energy.
Golduck,
Pangoro.
and I have
Oh,
Pangoro
nice.
too.
Heck yeah. Heracross.
And we both ended with the same one.
And I have Lily's Polka Doll.
Do you have more than me or something?
Nah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hmm.
I think it's just because you start first, so
Maybe.
you'll run out first. Man, I need some Dratini's though. I'm like, why can't I just pull a nice little
This is
hollow
a-
Dratini?
Right, this is an ultra rare.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a full art. I
Yeah,
was
it is
like,
a full art.
that's what I
but
thought.
That's weird.
yeah, so I guess you're right. It doesn't matter then, because whatchamacallit, you had a full art. Unless it was an accidental, you know, and it's gonna
Hey,
be
hey.
super solid.
Not
Again,
complaining.
not gonna complain about that. Shoot. What are you thinking? Which one you want? Because I know we got Unified Minds, Cosmic Eclipse, and Sun and Moon Guardian Rising. That's why I wanted to do live stream if we do that, so then we can kind of ask and then they can kind of, but I know you kind of want to wait that, but Cosmic Eclipse, Unified Minds, or Sun and Moon Guardians Rising.
Let's go Sun and Moon.
Alright, Sun and Moon. Well,
Guardians Rising, my bad.
thank you. I'm like, I'm like, which one?
Both.
Alright, so that's gonna be that one there.
Yep, same. So I'm just gonna.
Oh, it's just
Down
going
the
right
middle,
through.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, mine just went right out like that. Okay, cool. Gold card. No, I'm kidding. I don't even know if that's a thing.
You can
Said
read
you
the
get to
back.
take the trip to the Pokemon little facility. Oh yeah, it doesn't matter. I forgot. I'm looking again like it's like, ooh, what I get.
Ah.
But yeah, right.
Yeah.
I'm like, you want me to go first?
Yeah,
So
go
it doesn't
ahead.
seem like you run out again. Gumi. Kind of look like it's stitched, like they stitched him.
Machop. Yeah. Yeah,
2017. We weren't going through COVID in 2017. There's no reason to have been Wellimer. Why?
Lonian Sandshrew.
Beldum. Good to see some old school kind of looking Pokemon in there.
Another
Things you don't see
Machop.
often. Rockruff. Oh, Rockruff.
Oh, a Salandit.
Got a Machop.
A Pat Rat.
Reverse Hollow Slowpoke.
Okay. Got a reverse hollow trainer card, Brooklet Heel.
Oricorio? I think that's right.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
The rare is Sharpedo. That's really cool illustration, too. It's like,
Oh, that's nice.
yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And I got an Earth Energy. That is dope.
Energy card.
Then we got Lampent.
Trainer card, Altar of the Moon.
Clefable.
Trainer card, Mallow.
And then we got Mary Annie.
And then another trainer, Altar of the Sun.
Oh, so there's like different. Okay, that's cool. So that's nice. So I think you
guess
got
so.
both, one of
Yeah,
each.
one. Yep.
Yeah. That's cool. Okay. We doing good. So what are we at? Like
You have
3
3?
for. Yeah, I got two. Got 2 left.
Okay.
Yeah. But how many We got 1, 2, 3 out of how many? 3 out of
I had
like
7.
8 packs, 7 packs. So 3 out of 14 packs. Oh, we're not doing too good tonight. Normally, it'd be a little. Well, actually, I don't know about that because normally we'd be getting lucky with the 50% rates or so. You know, I'd be saying we'd be getting lucky, so I can't be mad when we get stuff like this. Not even because you've been getting stuff, so you know it's still we getting stuff. All right, so which one? Unified Minds?
Let's go with Unified Minds.
All right, let's get a Mew or a Mewtwo or something, anything, a white card. I don't think it matters. Let's see it not matter. Oh no, it would matter, of course.
You don't know that. You just said it doesn't matter.
The white card does on this one, and you know that. Dang.
I don't know that. Okay.
All right, go ahead.
A Stunfisk.
Sneasel.
Of Onyx.
Ooh. Bond Sweet.
Finneon.
Well, this is a different Joltik I haven't seen yet. Or at least I don't think I have.
It's like him looking at himself.
I don't know. I think it's 2 Joltiks.
Maybe. Alonian Grimer. Alolan. I always say Alonian.
Salandit.
Carablast. Stop looking
Riolu.
over here. And I'm gonna hide it from you.
I knew it.
It's not.
I know, I saw.
A reverse hollow Pidove.
Got a reverse hollow Lickitung. Still something good.
The rare is a hollow Haxorus.
That's cool. It almost looks like Geratini, kind of. Like with legs, like in a dinosaur form. Talonflame.
I have energy card.
Another energy.
I have a trainer card, Chandler.
Tornadus.
Oh, I like that illustration. We have a Zelf.
And then we have a Swadloon.
And then trainer card, Blues Tactics.
And then why not?
So cute. That's cute. It's a cute picture.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright. You ready for that final one?
As ready as I'm gonna be.
Here's
Oh, so please.
something.
Anything. Please. Yours even has a rainbow on the back. Like it's gonna give a rainbow.
Didn't you have the same one?
I don't know, maybe. Now it makes me nervous.
You're making me nervous.
What if it was just a white card? I'd be like, oh my gosh, it makes a difference.
Oh.
Oh wow, it makes a difference. Oh my gosh, it makes a difference.
I'm sorry.
Alright, let's get it going. We got this. Alright, Phantom, at least get something good. Come on.
Cottony.
Magnemite.
A Rowlet.
I can't stand these packs. Lillipup.
Phantom.
Trapinch.
Alolan Grimer.
Sneasel.
Magnemite.
Got a reverse hollow Weezing.
You're okay. You're in good look.
Good luck.
A reverse hollow Chinchou.
Armaldo.
That's what I got.
Oh, heck yeah.
See?
Nice. No, so there was nothing in there. Hold on, maybe it's in the back then. Energy
I
card.
doubt it.
Probably.
Lightning energy.
Togedemaru.
Gloom.
I like what I'm putting it there. Great cat. I like how you look. Great catcher. You're like, maybe.
Maybe. Floette.
Provo Pass.
And a Zangoose.
Okay. Now it's making me feel like I should check my evolutions and see if it's something rare
I
in there,
knew you were
maybe.
gonna
Because
say
I'm
that.
like, maybe it's just, because you got one. So I'm like, maybe it's just one in there that might be good.
Do you want to do it? I have mines to put up, so.
That's the problem. I want to put 2 up for us so we can have 1 apiece, you know, so we're both, you know.
Well, we're gonna pick up more packs anyways.
Right, you're right. I'm like.
And it's not hidden yet, so you can always.
No, you absolutely right. I'm definitely under, you know.
You know, open it.
Nah. I'm probably going to grab another pack off on the side.
What you mean?
I have a pack off on the side. I put that up just in case. I was like, man.
Wow. We're hiding stuff from each other, I guess, now. Who does that?
So
Oh,
which
yeah,
one would you
2
like?
packs.
Which one do you want?
I mean,
Alright, come on. Let's see. What do we got?
Darkness Ablaze, by the way.
Oh, yeah. By the way, Darkness Ablaze. I got a Charizard in the front. Alright, so was that a nice little end surprise?
Yeah, okay,
it was if nothing was
you
good.
have one more chance to switch right now. You want to make the, you know, you cheater. You're such a cheater, man.
Yeah, let's switch.
I told you.
Nah,
I told
I'm not
you to
worried
switch
about
with
it.
me.
Come on, white card at least. White card at least. Be a white card. Come on. Please.
Nope.
Alright, go ahead.
Here's
What do you
two.
got?
Saying it doesn't matter, right? Vanillite.
Electric. Hopefully we can get something.
Another Gothica.
Galarian, Mr. Mime.
A Nickit.
Grimer, just a regular one.
Ugh. A Shelmer.
Clink.
A Larvitar.
Skitty.
I always can't tell with this one. A Reverse Hollow Grimer.
And we got a reverse hollow Pampor.
Oh, okay. The rare is Tesserina.
We got Arctovich.
Psychic Energy.
We got Dark Energy.
Ursaring.
Another Zwillius. Seems like we just non-stop with these ones.
Yeah.
At least for me.
Energy, Heat Energy.
We got a Familiar Bell.
And a Semi-Seer. I always get Semi-Seer.
Struggle Gloves. That was my night tonight. Struggle Gloves. It ends me like that. Alright. Good to know. Well, that was an eventful night, though, at least, though. We got a few things. You know, what? We got the... At least it gave us, you know, the VMAX Meowth and the Meowth. So those are cool kind of cards, promos, but nonetheless still cool. So excited about that. We got the giant, big old promo card. You know, honestly, I'm debating just to open up that Evolutions, to be honest. That's kind of just where that's leaning toward right now.
I won't be mad at you for it.
Yeah. Oh, man. You think it's a Charizard? You think we can get a Charizard or something in there? Because my hopes is a little down right now.
I don't know.
What are the options to get in there?
There is a Charizard X, Mega Blastoise X, Mega Venusaur. You can also get a Dragonite, Ninetales, Mega Slowbro. So, I mean, I'm gonna leave it up to you on this one.
Alright, let's do it. You gonna put yours up?
Yeah, I'm put mine.
Alright, then let's get it. Because I'm gonna go probably grab some more packs tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm grab a shitload of packs. It's green, of course. Why would it be green? Yep, it wouldn't matter. It's green. Okay, so we got Onyx. So I thought this might have been maybe a potential good one. Magikarp. Nice little energy. Always fantastic. Staryu. Tangela. Got a reverse hollow Nidoking.
Oh, that's nice. That is nice.
That's cool.
Oh, okay, whatever.
Doug Trio. Misty's Determination. And we have Coughing. I think that's it. No. And Flying Pikachu.
Oh.
That's cool. Okay.
That is cool.
We'll take it. I think that's the come up with the night on that one.
Yeah.
The Pikachu. Okay, I like it. That's nice. I definitely enjoy it. We're going to keep that to the side. That's super cool. Yeah, that's really nice. And the borders and everything on the edges look on point too. That's gradable. That's perfect. That's beautiful. Something nice we can just keep for ourselves. Because I think I want a whole collection of just Pikachu grades. Well, you want to recap off on the ones you got though from the packs, and then we'll probably have that there. Call that the night and come back tomorrow probably.
So the Mimikyu from Cosmic Eclipse, the Centiskorch V, I don't know if you can see it, and Victini V.
I wonder if I had that one too.
I think you do.
Okay, I was gonna say, I wonder if I had that one.
Mm-hmm.
But appreciate everybody for stopping in, and shoot, we'll looking forward to seeing everybody next time as well. You got Diamond, myself, Aaron, and this is the Pokemon Masters 118. So thank you guys for stopping by.